Jen, you know, our colleagues reporting here last night told us that it was really unbelievable. The damage was so widespread unless you saw it for yourself, and they really couldn't have said it much better. And it's not just here in DuBois, it's in the entire county, surrounding counties. Here in DuBois today was all about the cleanup, but in nearby Reynoldsville, Jefferson County, most of that town is still underwater.
Don't know where to begin. It's like my world's caving in, and I try but I can't control my fear. Where do I go from here? Sometimes it's so hard to pray when you feel so far away, but I am willing to go where you want me to. God, I trust you. There's a raging sea right in front of me, wants to pull me in, bring me to my knees. So let the waters rise if you want them to. I will follow you, I will follow you. You'll be next to me. You're in the eye of the storm and the calm of the sea. You're never out of reach. God, you know where I've been. You were there with me then. You were faithful before, you'll be faithful again. I'm holding your hand. There's a raging sea right in front of me, wants to pull me in, bring me to my knees. So let the waters rise if you want them to. I will follow you, I will follow you. I will follow you. God, your love is enough. You will pull me through. I'm holding on to you. God, your love